Okay, good morning. I'm A.A Raka Dalem. I would like to explain what we have today. Our program today is to visit the Monkey Forest Ubud. We learn about harmonious relationship between people here with the nature, also with the temples, with the visitors. So in principle of Trihita Karana, we learn that we got to create harmonious relationship between the God, across human being, and with the environment. Monkey Forest Ubud is a good example of site that managed professionally and also in such a good way between culture and business activities can run and producing a good income for the local. So all the tourists and the students right now can learn a lot of things about the temples, about the monkeys, about the plants, about conservation and relationship with the Balinese culture as well. So we're very proud to accompany the volunteer student from Lumen Media from upskill program to conduct this activity. Thank you very much.